Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the inlet valve on your Samsung top-load washer. If you're experiencing problems like slow water fill, no water entering during wash cycles, or unexpected leaks, it might be time to inspect and possibly replace this part. Now before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful appliance repair tutorials. Let's dive in and get your washer back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your top-load washer by either unplugging it or switching off the breaker. With the power safely off, we're ready to tackle the troubleshooting process. Let's jump right into diagnosing the issue with your washer. So let me show you how we are accessing it. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 5 Phillips screws along the back of the console panel. With the screws removed, the back half of the console will pull away from the console assembly, and we can set it to the front. The front console will lift up at the back, and we can rotate it so that the face is down. We may have to lift the lid in order to do this. We are plugging the power cord in at this point. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. We are grabbing our multimeter and setting it to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line. If you'd like a refresher on how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. We are rotating the top panel, turning the console on, and starting a wash cycle. We are testing the valve solenoids for 120 volts AC. If the valve receives voltage like we see here, but no water comes through, then the valve has failed. If there is no voltage, then something else may be causing this failure. Since we found the valve has failed on this washer, let me show you how to replace it. First, let's unplug that power cord. With that done, we are disconnecting the wires from the valve. Now we are grabbing our pliers and moving the hose retainer back along the hose and disconnecting the hose from the valve. We are grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 3 screws securing the valve. We are lifting the valve slightly up and pulling it to the back of the washer to get it out. Here's the old inlet valve and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we are inserting the valve onto the washer. Using our Phillips screwdriver, we are securing it in place with the screws that we removed. Now we are grabbing our pliers, pushing the hose we removed back onto the valve, and securing it with the retainer clip. We are reconnecting the wires to the valve. We are grabbing the console and rotating it into the top panel, lifting the lid a little bit just to slide it in. Now we are securing the back console panel back to the console with the screws that we removed earlier, and then plugging the power cord back in. With that, we are done. Great job on restoring your Samsung top-load washer. We hope you found the process empowering and straightforward. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you need a new inlet valve or any other parts, simply jot down your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thank you for trusting us with your repair journey, and we look forward to assisting you in your next do-it-yourself project.